Nyumba-ini ya micemanio ya KICC guku Nairobi nikuo makiri ma arũmĩrĩri a ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja megwĩkinyitie gwĩkĩra ũira Mutongoria wa kiama kĩa NARC Martha Karua akiingira mabuku-ini ma kiririkano gukorwo ari mutumia wa mbere guthukĩrwo giturwa kĩa munini wa president ni muhuraniri wa giturwa gĩa president na ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja Raila Odinga.
Karibishe Rais wa 5 wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
Na thutha wa wetereri munene nganja cia no gukorwo ari muteithia wa Raila Odinga cia kinya muthia kurianirirwo gukorwo ahitukitio ni kamiti ya andu 7 kuoya giturwa giki.
That I have picked as my running mate and Cabinet Secretary for Justice and Constitutional Affairs, the Honorable Martha Wangari Karua.
Akiheana ndũmĩrĩri ya gwĩtĩkĩra kwamurwo gwake, Karua ni agwetire rĩanĩrĩra rĩrĩ rĩta ũhotani munene kũrĩ atumia gũkũ akĩranĩra kurutithania wĩra na Raila Odinga.
I'm deeply honored by the decision to nominate me as the deputy presidential candidate for Azimio la Umoja. Baba has allocated me duties in advance. I want to confirm that I'm ready, able and willing. This is our moment as women of Kenya and as men of Kenya, because they are our brothers, our fathers and our companions.
Karua ni augite unyitaniri wao na Odinga ni kugacirithia na gukinyukithia bururi makinya manene hari ukuria udumwe na kuruwirira ihoto cia mundu iria ikoretwo igikirukwo kwa ihinda iraya.
I recommit myself to fully support His Excellency Honorable Raila Odinga in his internal pursuit of social justice and dignity for all.
Karua ni ugite cioneki ciao mari eri ni iringaine kuna makoretwo makirumbuia mabataro ma muingi kuhurana na ungumania guku akiuga Odinga ena rekodi ya uria anarugama na muingi.
His Excellency Raila Odinga has been talking about endemic poverty, disease, preventable deaths as well as ignorance. We also need to fight the indignity of corruption. I believe in my heart of hearts that if we can erode the power of corruption in our midst, we can finally cross the Rubicon to the promised land.
Iguru wa guthukirwo giturwa giki, Karua ningi no aheirwo giturwa gia gugakorwo ari minister wa kihoto na gatiba angikorwo ni magathondeka thirikari mari na Raila Odinga kureraniire ati ni magatabania mogaruruku ma gatiba makirumirira mawatho na mitaratara iria yagiriire.
Within the rule of law, any desires to look at our constitution will be pursued, but within the rule of law. That is the mandate that His Excellency has bestowed on me.
Kwamurwo kwa Martha gukite thiku imwe tu thutha wa munini wa president Daktari William Ruto kwamura mubunge wa Mathira Rigathi Gachagua ta munini wake ngwataniro-ini ya Kenya Kwanza. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.